Which dress would you wear for a dinner date? 1.
Keeps me high. Be a star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we
photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
talk about what you should wear and what you should avoid wearing if you're going on a dinner date. Let's do this. Also, before we begin, you can wear whatever the hell you want. These are obviously just my recommendations. First thing that I would say avoid are sneakers. What are you doing? You're not walking anywhere. I understand that they're comfy, but you're just sitting down and eating your meal. So sneakers are a no-go. Another no-go are chunky boots, anything that it's just like this. What are you doing? You're not going hiking. You're going to a restaurant. So chunky boots, no. Flip-flops are an absolute no-go. You're not walking by a pool. It is late. It is night. No. Another absolute no-go for me are denim shorts. You're not walking down in Santa Monica Pier. There's times and places for things. A dinner date with denim shorts, not the time and place. Now, if you want to look a little bit more dressed up, knits, anything without structure may not be the best thing to wear. And on part number 2, we're going to see what you should wear instead. If you guys have any questions or requests, you can just leave them in the comments below.
By your side when the sun sets. I hope